Toyota is making its first move into the European heavy-duty van market with the PROACE MAX. Its lineup covers a wide range of dimensions. In full van format there are 6 different sizes to choose from, based on 2 wheelbase options, 3 lengths and 3 heights. These combinations provide cargo area volume from 10 cubic meter to 17 cubic meter, with space enough to comfortably carry up to 5 Euro pallets. To put the load capacity into context, the L4H3 PROACE MAX offers 3 times the load volume as the largest PROACE medium-duty van. Gross vehicle weight is from 3,300 kilograms to 3,500 kilograms for the diesel models. The maximum payload is up to 1,500 kilograms and the towing capacity up to 3,000 kilograms, depending on the combination of vehicle length and height. 3 diesel powertrains are also available. The entry-level unit is a 2.2-liter with 6-speed manual transmission, offering 120 horsepower and 320 Nm. The mid-power engine is a 140 horsepower version of the 2.2 unit, with 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic transmission, giving 350 Nm or 380 Nm respectively. The high-powered diesel, also with manual or auto transmission, delivers 180 HP and is well-suited for heavy-duty conversions. The PROACE MAX will have a staggered rollout across European markets, with first customer deliveries expected from September 2024. The panel vans will be released first, followed by chassis cab and platform cab models from September, and dropside conversion from October. November will see the first panel van crew cab, with the tipper arriving the following month.